Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are watching the one and only Jasmine, and today I'm going to be doing a video on unboxing ULA Hair.
Flex OD, sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing.
And before we get into this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell next to the subscribe button because you guys won't be disappointed. So yeah, let's get into the video. Hair came in this DHL packaging, and the hair took like I believe like 5 days to come. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, so the hair comes in this packaging. It says ULA Hair, and it comes in like this little cute little thing. And then so I'm gonna open it basically. Okay, so it comes with these hair clips, and then it comes with a wig cap, and then it comes with instructions on the hair. Let's see what the instructions says. It says do's and don'ts, and it says what kind of products they recommend you to wash the hair with, and they just give you instructions about flat ironing, dyeing, and how to measure conditioner, sew the wefts, and all these do's and don'ts. And then it comes with the policy. Check the hair when you receive it. Any quality problems, contact us within 3 days. Basically, it just says contact details and on the hair. So yeah. And then let's unpackage the hair. So I bought like I believe a loose wave. It was like a loose wave. I'll insert like a picture right here of what the hair looked like on the what I bought, and you guys can compare it. So this is like a loose deep wave, I believe so, because I wanted something different, but I didn't want to really curly. So it comes with this inside. I just took it out, but this was inside, like all wigs come with. And then this is the hair, and it comes with this net, which is, I love having nets over the hair because it protects the hair. And this is the hair, and then I love the curl pattern. It's so pretty, y'all. Like, look at this, look at it shake. And it's like when I'm combing through the hair, do I get any hair? No, I don't have any hair on my hand. It has a tag, and it says ULA Hair, 100% human hair. And then the inside of the frontal looks like this. I think I got 13 by 6. So yeah, I like to get a frontal with a big frontal because I like to have a large part that goes back far, because I feel like it just looks prettier in the natural. So this is the inside of the hair. It comes with a clip right here, clip on this side, a clip on this side, and a clip at the bottom. And it comes with this, a ULA Hair tag. And it comes with like a little lace in the back, which I don't even really care for because it really does nothing. And then it comes with these, the strap on each side to tighten the wig to make it, you know, more sturdy and stuff. And the lace is like a tint brown. Like, I'm gonna put it on my skin so y'all can see. Like, it's transparent, I believe. Like, it's pretty to me. I love this color of the lace. Like, I love that it matches my skin tone. Like, if I put this lace right here, y'all can see that it matches my skin tone. This is what the knots look like. It comes pre-plucked, so it is pre-plucked, if you guys could tell. The knots are not bleached, but it does come pre-plucked. And it's really soft. Like, I'm really feeling this hair, y'all. Like, it's soft, and it's like a loose wave. I do plan on wetting this hair, like wearing a wet and wavy kinda, like a loose kind of type of curl. And yeah, so this is a review on the hair, and this is the first impressions on the hair. Like, honestly, I really like the hair, and I would recommend it, but I haven't tried put the hair on and bleach the knots. But I will be doing a video on how I bleach my knots on my frontal, and how I pluck the frontal and all that good stuff. And if you guys want to see that video, I will be posting it soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe.